video, and today we're going to be making hand sanitizer.
Lately it's been hard to find hand sanitizer at the store, so we're going to give you easy recipes of how to make hand sanitizer.
To make the hand sanitizer, you're going to need alcohol that has at least 70% proof.
Get some aloe vera for your skin and pour it in.
Now you're going to add some water to dilute the mix.
It's so jelly. It's pretty much done, but if you want, you can put a fragrance oil to make it smell good.
You can find these travel-sized bottles pretty much anywhere. Now we're going to fill them up.
Now we're going to show you an easy recipe of how to make hand sanitizer for a spray bottle. And you need witch hazel. And so you're going to pour that in.
You're also going to need some water. And some fragrance. Now we're going to pour it into the bottle.
Be sure to shake it up before you spray it on your hand. Smells good.
Even though we showed you how to make hand sanitizer,
but the best way to wash your hands is to use soap and water for at least 20 seconds. I hope you like our video.
please subscribe.
Check out our other videos on our channel. Bye!